One of the great things about Amazon for you, the Amazon seller, is that if you can get a better deal on sourcing and you could undercut the brands on price, you can get the buy box, you can get the sales, and you can make the money. Now, what do brands do? Brands will often then assert counterfeit complaints against you, totally baseless ones, but they will assert counterfeit complaints against you that you then need to get retracted and get passed on Amazon to get your listing back or get your account back. So one of the arguments that we find to be very, very successful is demonstrating to Amazon staff in India, and again, I have met dozens of Amazon's employees in India in person without Amazon's permission. And what you want to do is to persuade them that this is clearly not counterfeit. Here are my invoices. Here's my supply chain. This is really this brand trying to prevent other sellers from giving Amazon's consumers better pricing. It's all about a distribution agreement, which Amazon is not supposed to enforce because it is bad for the consumers. So, Declan Levine, great win getting this seller reinstated who faced this issue. Amazon sellers, keep an eye out for counterfeit complaints or other methods of brands trying to get rid of you simply because you are beating them on price, getting the buy box, and taking their sales. I'm going to talk to you a bit about Zon Support, Z-O-N support.com. What zonsupport.com does is provide customer service specifically to Amazon sellers. Now, most Amazon-based businesses cannot afford staff 24/7. Zonsupport.com provides those people to you, all US-based, all English as a first language. And these are some of the things that zonsupport.com can provide to you. They can deal with your customer messages. They can deal with replacement products, returns, refunds. They can address low-star reviews, customer messages. They can deal with seller feedback and be your boots on the ground if any customer through Amazon has an issue with your product. You can provide 24/7 customer support. Please check out zonsupport.com. Greg is a remarkable business person, and I endorse him 100%.